welcome back to my little Visayang Hilaw. Your Mother Earth is back. So I have 2 matches. They said, kung mag-cruise daw, mag-ana, it means my aura was touched with the evil eye. It means barang-barang or witches, whatever. Kung mag-ana lang, dili mag-touch, it means daw, my aura is protected. Tanaw na to kung true ba ni. Manaboy tag ka ng mga unsa para kay matingan na lang mi wajay kwarta magbot may sila gawas. So muni sa duha ka matches and then a ball of water. Okay, ready dada? My cameraman is my dada. Anak daw. Hey, so it means we're peace of mind. We are okay. See, we're apart. So I'm protected. So whatever it is, this for fun.